This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Strong, durable, and dependable. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include a low-tire pressure indicator, a power passenger seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, trailer wiring, a security system, a traction control system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and fog lamps. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.